Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely low mileage top of the range Jaguar 2.0 diesel XF portfolio, finished in glacier white with a front park distance control, lovely condition alloys, bodywork's in lovely condition as well. It's got the rear park distance control and the reverse camera. Really is in superb condition, obviously because of its low mileage. Boot area is in lovely condition. All the shuts are really nice and clean. Portfolio has its own leather with the white inserts. High specification on this one as well. It's got the high sound meridian sound system. It's got memory seats, electric windows, electric mirrors, the electric seats, heated seats as well. Just start the car up. Starts lovely. It's only done, as you can see, 51,882 miles. All the heater vents open up. Got the climate control, air conditioning, satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone system, reverse camera, cooled and heated seats. Multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift, cruise control, lovely low mileage system. There you go, meridian sound system there. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.